Hello, folks. My name is Shobit Anand. I am working with Super Achievers Abroad Education, and here I am teaching French language as well as ISPTE, SALPIP, OET also. In today's class, we are about to learn French language with some basic sentences. Bonjour, je m'appelle Shobit. J'enseigne le français aujourd'hui. This is a boy. C'est un garçon. This is a boy. Sit agasso. Sit agasso. Sit agasso. This is a boy. Sit agasso. This is a boy. This is a boy. Sit agasso. Next sentence is these are boys. These are boys. Siaso. Siaso means these are. So means are. Siaso. Siaso. De gaso. Siaso. De gaso. These are boys. Siaso. De gaso. Gaso means boys. Now, note down the rule number 1. The pronunciation of object in English, singular and plural, are different. But in French, they are same. Rule number 2. How we identify that the object is singular or plural? With the help of verb and articles like so, so and is so means are, and they we will use with plural only. So CSO, degaso, indicating that this is plural idea. So sit agaso, CSO degaso, sit agaso, CSO degaso, sit agaso, CSO degaso. Likewise, in the next sentence, this is a girl. So the next rule in French, a girl, a boy in English as the article is same, but in French, un are used for the male and in used for the female. So this is a boy, sit agasso, this is a girl, say in fee. This is a boy, sit agasso, this is a girl, sit in fee. In for the male, in for the female. Agasso, infi. Agasso, infi. Agasso, infi. And feel like that feel, girl, feel. So the pronunciation looks like that feel. So fear, fear. You see E looks like A. So set in fear, set in fear, set in fear, set in fear. This is a girl, sit in fear. The next one, these are girls. So as we learned earlier, CSO means these are CSO, de fee, CSO de fee. Sit in fee, CSO de fee, sit in fee, CSO de fee. So the pronunciation is approximately same for the singular and plural word. Sit in fee, CSO de fee. Now, the next one. This is a man. So, sit now. H is usually silent. So, in this condition, we will pronounce the object with article. So, not it will look like anam. Sit anam. This is the man. Sit anam. Usually, HOMME. It looks like but in this condition, due to the H, we combine the pronunciation of both word and whenever we are speaking. So it looks like that. Sit anam. This is a man, 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 sit anam. Now the next one, these are men. So siasode, we learned earlier, siasode. But when we will pronounce, we will add the next word, the pronunciation of the man in French will be combined with the. So how it will look like that? Siasodism, siasodism, siasodism. So for the boy, siaso de garçon. For the man, siasodism. Siaso de fille, siaso de garçon, siasodism. Got it? If you like this video, do not forget to like this one and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon also to get the updates for the upcoming videos. And if you have any query or any question, then you can comment it also. So we are waiting for your comments also. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye, goodbye, au revoir, goodbye, au revoir, goodbye, au revoir, goodbye, au revoir, goodbye.